Hey, what's up, social media family? I want to share with you a very powerful prophetic dream that I had last night. It meant so much to me, encouraged me, strengthened me, and hopefully it's going to help you as well. You know, last night at sundown started Rosh HASHANAH. You know, it's the first day of the year in the Hebrew calendar, which is always exciting. Now this year, 5783, it means a few different things that I'm really excited about. One is restoration. One is about recompense. One is repayment. You know, there's a lot of things like that going on. It's also entering into a new 7-year season. It's going to be really, really good. It's also a symbolism for the lion and the sword. And if you listen to different people who really teach on this, they talk about everything that you went through in the last era, the warfare, it is going to be repaid to you. And I like to always teach people, to the depth that you go low, you will rise as the pendulum swings back. And I know a lot of people have gone through a lot of stuff. So this dream is going to be very powerful. And I'm just really excited to share it with you. So here we go. I had a dream that I was in a plane. It was a smaller plane. It wasn't like a big jet, and we were flying. And man, I'm talking the clouds, or we were in the middle of clouds, and it was storming. It was lightning. You could tell it was raining. The clouds were different shades of dark gray. We were a little scared. There was turbulence, and then all of a sudden, we flew into clear clouds, just white clouds. It was beautiful. And then all of a sudden, the clouds just opened up. Funny thing is, you could see through the opening. The opening was the shape of a cross. And as soon as it opened up, I looked down, and there was a patch of land. I'm going to guess it was about 40 acres. It had an absolute beautiful house on it. Now, everybody has their own opinion of what a beautiful house is. But it was a beautiful house. It was about 40 acres. It was a farm. It was just like farmland. It was beautiful land. There was a pond on it. It was just perfect. And then the pilot said, "This is our destination." And then he started going down through the clouds as the clouds opened up. And he started going towards it. And I woke up. Now, someone asked me the other day, like, man, if you know, where do you like to live? And I just said, man, I think it'd be cool to live on about 40 acres, nice house, beautiful open land with a barn and a pond. It was basically everything that I wanted, you know. And when my wife and I say that we want something, we never really want it just because we want it. We want it because we know that we can, you know, have people over and have groups and worship nights and prayer nights, and the people in our businesses to come over. And so it was really good. And then this morning when I woke up early to pray into that. And I was like, wait a minute. Rosh Hashanah, you know, started at sundown. And so it was like the exiting of a season that was a little shaky, with turbulence, it was cloudy. And then all of a sudden the transition was pure white clouds. And then, like I said, the clouds opened up in the shape of a cross. And what I've seen in my mind, and when I just kind of write and, you know, play around with what a cool place would be to look like, basically that represents destination. I saw it clearly. Now, I've had a few prophetic words over the last 2 weeks about people moving through the fog and the clouds, and the clarity is about to come. Well, this prophetic dream was the exact same thing. So I'm letting you know we're in a new year. It's a new day. The clouds are parting. The Lord is with you. His favor is with you. And you are going to enter into everything that He's promised you. So receive this word, and I hope you're blessed.